Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today we'll show you how to boost ads on the Facebook app. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by heading to your Facebook business page. Choose the post you're eager to boost. Simply click on the desired post to get started. Step 2. Define your goal. Click on the boost icon. Here, you can choose your objective, whether it's generating messages or increasing engagement. For this tutorial, let's go with the message option. Step 3. Fine-tune your settings. If your post is related to sensitive topics like credit, employment, or social issues, remember to tick the appropriate box. Craft a warm welcome message to engage your audience effectively. Step 4. Audience selection matters. Click on selecting the audience. If you haven't saved an audience before, no worries, you can create one. To tailor your audience, hit the Edit button. Specify locations, interests, and age groups. This ensures your ad reaches the right people. Step 5. Budget wisely. This step is crucial. Set your budget and duration accurately. Enter the payment method securely. When you're confident, hit that Boost Now button. But before you do, double-check everything to ensure a flawless boost. There you have it, 5 straightforward steps to amplify your Facebook app ads. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.